A technical note on construction of banded stone masonry wall in Hilly area. By Pushpendra Kumar, engineering geologist, Roddick Consultant Private Limited. Number 1 Scope of the technical note. This technical note describe about minimum parameters we should follow to build a banded dry stone masonry wall in hilly terrain for cut slope protection works. This note include the selection of structure of gravity, its materials, foundation SBC, backfill materials and drainage system. And 0.2 Selection of structure for cut slope protection. In the hilly terrain we should consider mainly two type of structure to protect the cut or fill slope, which are revetment wall, breast wall, and retaining wall. This drawing shows how we developed a road in a hilly terrain like Himalaya by half-cutting and half-filling method. In this fig no. Half-filled area protected with banded stone masonry retaining wall towards valley and median side. Half area of the highway developed by cutting of hill slope and hill slope protected by a breast wall or revetment wall. This figure shows the basic design parameters about the wall as PCC gradient slope, front batter, and back slope, different dimensions calculated SBC for different height, etc. As we have seen in there are two type of structure commonly used for protection work. Number 1 revetment wall or breast wall to support the cut slope. And second are retaining wall to retain the filling materials. These are the different types of protection wall are popular in hilly terrain. Here we are describing only banded dry stone masonry wall in details. We have to select the type of wall based on locally available materials, site topography and soil investigation data. Generally, to resist the filling earth pressure we have select the retaining structure, and to protect the cut slope we have to build the breast or revetment wall. Breast wall can be constructed following type based on suitability as follows. No. 1 dry stone wall in which only stone are used without cement mortar. Number 2 cement banded dry stone wall is constructed by with dry stone unit bounded with cement stone masonry. Number 3 cement stone masonry wall constructed with dressed stone with cement mortar. Now what should be the design criteria of banded stone masonry wall? There are mainly 4 types of load and pressure should be considered to design a banded stone masonry wall, which are as follow. First, our self-weight of banded stone masonry wall should not cross SBC of strata. Earth pressure acting on wall cut slope, soil pressure behind wall. Water pressure, underground water pressure. Seismic load and overturning pressure, seismic zone of the area where wall is to be built. After assessment of the above given point, the design should be as follow based on IRC SP 48, 1998, IRC 42002 and is :14458, Part 3.
In general, we should follow the basic rules. Width of wall foundation should be B equals 0.5 h plus 0.3, where h equals height of wall, to get desired SBC. Top width should be 0.6 meters up to 4 meters height and half a meter more than 4 meters. Height of wall. Foundation should be inclined inward 1 to 3 to 1 to 6 to safe against overturning. Keep the front better 1 to 2 to 1 to 6, keep back front straight up to 4 meters, back front. Reduced more than 4 meters to 8 meters height. Coping placed 0.50 to 0.75 millimeters. Sloping towards valley side. No need to provide horizontal PVC pipe for drainage, as there is sufficient space between dry stone to flow the water. Construction methodology for site. First, we should ensure the desired excavation of cut slope is satisfactory or not. Then SBC must be ensured before laying PCC by geotechnical expert. Check the line and level as per drawing for PCC. PCC done 100 mm to 300 mm thick. As per equipment of strata, wall foundation must be sloping 1 to 3 to 1 to 6 to escape overturning. Construction materials as cement mortar should be used 1 to 4 and size of stone should not be 20 x 15 10 cm approximately, and stone should be clean and clay free. Depth of foundation must be 1000 mm when rest on soil and 500 mm if rest on rock strata. Depth generally should be 0.1 h plus 0.3. The wall should be constructed with 8-meter construction joint up to the coping as per the given figure. Compacted backfill should be done simultaneously as the height of wall increase. Backfill materials should be granular or stone chips, well drained. The backfill layer should be placed in such a manner that the backfill load on wall should be zero. Top surface of backfill to be sealed by impervious 300 mm layer to prevent ingress of rainwater. Drainage PVC pipe within the wall is not required as space between dry stone is sufficient to release the water pressure behind the wall. Coping should be done with 1 to 4 mortar 50 to 75 mm sloping towards valley side. Roadside drainage should be provided as per discharge quantity of water during monsoon. Cement sand mortar ratio should be 4 and pointing must be done with 1 to 3 mortar.
The following points should be remembered during construction of banded stone masonry wall. The foundation area should be compacted properly before laying the PCC. If water surcharge is more than proper, weep holes should be provided to release groundwater. Granular backfilling behind the wall with geotextile should be placed properly. Mortar quality should be checked at regular interval and curing must be done as per standard. Manpower should be well versed in stone masonry works. The following standard can be useful. IRC, SP, 48, 1998. IRC, 40-2002. IRC, 78 2014. Is: 14458, Part 3.
These are few snaps from the field of dry stone masonry wall.
Thanks for viewing this note. You must subscribe this channel for next update about highway, tunneling, slope protection work, soil investigation works. Thanks once again.